Hello class 2, how are you children? So today we will do a revision chapter of English literature. Okay, so open your English literature book. This is our English literature book, isn't it? New Mulberry. And we will do the revision of the first chapter. Okay, and what is the name of the first chapter? The Magic Porridge Pot, isn't it? The Magic Porridge Pot. So open your book, all of you open your book at page number 15. Okay, as I have already told you that we have completed the syllabus for the first term. So these days we will keep on doing the revision of the class chapter whatever we have done till now. Okay, so today we will do the first chapter of this book, and the name of the first chapter is, as I have told you, the Magic Porridge Pot. So what is the meaning of porridge? I have already told you, it's a kind of type of dish, sweet dish, isn't it? Which is very soft, thick and white in color. Okay, so it's about a magical pot which could cook very delicious porridge. Okay, so and I hope that you have learned the word meanings given at the bottom of the page, isn't it? So let us do the revision of the word meanings today. Okay, we will start with the word like which has been used in the chapter, like cottage, woods, porridge, delicious in the first page. Then turn the page, then you will get more like clutching, as far as her legs could carry her, then large bowlful, lanes, hold. So these are the words, the new words that you have found in this chapter, isn't it? You have gone through, and I hope that you have written it in the CW copy, and you have by this time you have learned the word meanings also. So let us say, come to page number 15. Let us see what is the meaning of cottage. Cottage means, I think most of you can answer, cottage means a small house, isn't it? Then woods. So woods in this chapter, woods is used as here we could say the meaning of woods is a small forest. Okay, woods means forest. Now then porridge, porridge as I have told you, type of a soft thick white food. Okay, it's a delicious sweet dish. Okay, then delicious, what is the meaning of delicious? Delicious means tasty, isn't it? And the words that are given are in the on page number 16 are clutching. Clutching means to hold something tightly, isn't it? And as far as her legs would carry her, in this chapter it means that as fast as Poppy could run. Okay, it's the meaning of this is this is the meaning used in this chapter is like this: as fast as Poppy could run. Okay, she had to give some news to her mother, and she was running as fast as possible. So and the next one is large bowlful. Means large bowlful means a bowl, a big bowl full of porridge. Okay, and then pour means to flow quickly, okay, without stopping, to flow something quickly without stopping. Then lanes means narrow roads. Okay, these are the new words you have got in this chapter, and I hope you have written and you have learned the word meanings also, isn't it? So let us revise the chapter once. Here I'll just tell you the story. What is the story about? Okay, here the main character of the story is Poppy, a little girl, isn't it? So long time ago, okay. So once upon a time, there was a girl whose name was Poppy. She used to live with her mother in a forest. Okay, so in a cottage means in a small house at the edge of the woods, means at the ending point of the forest. Okay, woods means forest. So Poppy was a girl, small girl. She used to live with her mother in a small house at the edge of a small forest. Then one sunny morning, as she was walking in the woods while she was walking in the forest one sunny morning. The weather was very nice, pleasant. So she was walking and then she met an old lady, isn't it? She was carrying what? She was carrying 4 heavy bags, okay, and she was going back to her home. And then when Poppy saw the old woman carrying such a 4 heavy bags alone and going back home, she felt like helping the old woman, isn't it? And she helped by carrying the 4 heavy bags for the old woman, okay. Then she helped the old woman to carry the bag home, and the old woman was very happy, isn't it? Because the little girl helped her. So she said that as a token of love, she gave a gift to Poppy. Okay, she gave a very special pot. Okay, a very special pot to Poppy, which could make delicious porridge, and she showed her how the pot worked. The pot worked like a magic. So it is known as a magical pot. What you have to do is you have to say only the words like cook little pot, cook. No need of putting it on a gas stove, then light the gas stove, nothing. Okay, just you have to say cook little pot, cook. Then the pot will give you delicious, means tasty porridge. Okay, so it is known as a magical pot. Okay, just you have to utter those words, then the pot starts cooking by itself. Okay, then Poppy was very happy. Turn the page. Poppy was very happy. Okay, and she wanted to tell this to her mother that that one old lady has given her a pot, a magical pot which could cook. Okay, just you have to say cook little pot, cook. Now when you are enough with the food, enough with the porridge, then just you have to say stop little pot, stop. Then the pot will stop cooking. Okay, nothing more than that. And she was very happy, she was excited, she thanked the lady, and then clutching the pot tightly, means holding the pot tightly so that it should not fall down. Okay, so she held the pot tightly and she ran home as fast as her legs would carry her. The meaning we have already got. As fast as possible she was running towards her house to tell her mother about the magical pot. Then she excitedly showed the pot to her mother. So after a few days, Poppy was visiting her grandma on the other side of the house. Then Poppy went to visit her grandma. After a few days, she got the pot. She went to her grandma to stay with her grandma. Okay, which was on the another grandma's house, was on the another side of the woods. And she was not at home when her mother began to feel hungry. So Poppy was not at home, but her mother, she began to feel very hungry. Then she decided to make some porridge. Then what she will do? She was taking help of the magical porridge pot. Okay. Now she took the little porridge pot down from the shelf and put it on the table. Just what you have to do it, you have to put it on a table, on a place. Okay. So then, and Poppy was also not there. Then cook little pot, cook, she said. Then Poppy's mother, she remembered that Poppy told her, if you want something to eat, if you want porridge, if you want to eat porridge, then you have to say just cook little pot, cook. Okay, then it will start cooking. Then if you want to, if you don't want in more of the porridge, then what you have to do? Stop little pot. Okay. Now, so Poppy was not there. Cook little pot, cook, said mother. So mother was very hungry, so she said, cook little pot, cook, when after she kept the pot on a table. Okay, and soon the pot started cooking. Okay, so then soon the pot was full of delicious hot creamy porridge. And soon the pot was full of delicious hot creamy porridge. And Poppy's mother ate a large bowl full of, she ate a big bowl full of porridge. Okay, and then she fell asleep in her rocking chair. She was eating. Okay, so and then what happened after her stomach is filled up with the delicious, tasty, hot, creamy porridge, she fell asleep. And in her rocking chair, she fell asleep. But she forgot to tell the pot to stop cooking. So the pot cooked and cooked and cooked until there was porridge everywhere. So as it was magical, you have to say stop little pot, stop, then only it will stop. As Poppy's mother fell asleep, she forgot to say stop little pot, stop. So soon the house was full with porridge. Then what happened? The porridge poured out of the pot onto the floor. Then the pot was full. Then it started flowing out of the pot. Okay, then it started falling onto the floor and through the rooms, down the stairs of the door, then into the lanes, and then started flowing into the lanes. Into the lanes means into the roads. Okay, narrow roads. Then ultimately the whole town was full of porridge. Okay, when when Poppy came back, she shouted, stop little pot, stop. And by that time Poppy came back, and then she said, stop little pot, stop. Then Poppy said, stop little pot, stop. Until Poppy said, stop little pot, stop, the pot was going on cooking. Okay, so when she saw that the whole town was full of porridge, then she said, stop little pot, stop. At last the little pot stopped, and then the little pot stopped. There was much porridge that everyone had to eat it for breakfast, lunch, tea and dinner. And as the town was full of porridge, so all the citizen of the town, all the people of the town, they had this delicious creamy hot porridge for their breakfast, lunch with their tea and for dinner also. Okay, they had more than sufficient amount of porridge everywhere, and all of them they enjoyed eating the porridge. Okay, so this is the end of the story, and I know that you have learned the question answers also and the back exercises whatever we have done. Thank you.